In the heart of Abuja, a legal battle continues to unfold, one that could alter the fate of Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB. On June 29, 2021, a federal high court ruling ordered Kanu's detention, a decision that remains the subject of controversy. Now, Kanu seeks an extension of time to appeal that decision.
Yourself, sir, to us.
Okay, are we on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Aloy.
Barrister Aloy Ejimako, Nnamdi Kanu's special counsel, made a crucial announcement on Thursday, revealing that Kanu had filed a motion before the Court of Appeal in Abuja. This motion seeks an extension of time to appeal the 2021 ruling that ordered his detention. The IPOB leader was arrested in Kenya in June 2021 under controversial circumstances. Following his arrest, Kanu was secretly presented before the Federal High Court on June 29, 2021 without prior notice to his legal team. This lack of transparency, according to Ejimako, violated Kanu's constitutional rights. In the application filed by Kanu's legal team, they argued that the judgment which led to Kanu's detention was delivered without affording him a fair hearing. They are now requesting the appeal court to extend the time for filing an appeal, as the original time limit has passed. The ruling in question was made by Justice Binta Nyako, who presided over the case in Abuja. Kanu's legal team claimed that the court's handling of the case was unconstitutional, with the court proceedings conducted without notifying Kanu's counsel. The case dates back to June 2021 when the Federal High Court ordered Kanu's detention. Since then, Kanu has been in custody of the Department of State Services (DSS), and the legal fight for his release has continued. The application before the Court of Appeal highlights several key legal issues, including Kanu's right to a fair trial. According to Ejimako, the proceedings were conducted in a manner that deprived their client of his right to be heard. No prior notice was given to his counsel, and he was taken into custody without proper legal processes. This is an injustice that they are seeking to address. Kanu's legal team has also raised concerns about the violation of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, which mandates that a defendant must be given a chance to be heard before such decisions are made. The appeal, therefore, is not just a legal fight for an individual, but a battle to uphold the rule of the law. Supporters of Nnamdi Kanu, many of whom have taken to the streets in protest, believe that Kanu's detention is politically motivated. They argue that his imprisonment is a tool to silence dissent, particularly in the region seeking independence.
It is impeding their human rights. Do you know that? Yeah. They have the right to exist. Give us what? Yeah. Give us Nnamdi Kanu and give us what? Yeah.
Kanu's legal team is now pushing for an order to set aside the detention order made in June 2021. They also request that Kanu be admitted to bail either at the same amount previously granted or for an increased sum. Alternatively, they ask for his transfer from DSS custody to a standard prison facility. The Court of Appeal will now decide on motion for an extension of time. The outcome could have far-reaching implications for Kanu's case. As for the legal principles surrounding the right to a fair trial and the treatment of detainees in Nigeria. As the legal process unfolds, the world watches closely. The outcome of this appeal could set a precedent for similar cases in the future, raising important questions about justice, human rights, and balance of power in Nigeria. This is just the beginning of a larger legal battle. For now, the battle for justice continues in the courts.